Sweet Mary, where now on this turf we recline, a proud lofty castle was frowned o'er the plain. Here barons and knights quaffed their bowls of rich wine, and throned to fair Trojans wide-spreading plain. But now it is vanished, my time swept away, nor is there a trace of the once stately dome. Forgot in their names who in splendid array, with hearts full of pride, called the mansion their home. Yet never, I trust, did the castle resound with accent of pride or delight such as mine, when late as we rode o'er this now desert ground, my Mary with blushes said, "Can